Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to begin a new chapter, that is chapter 5, Believing Yourself. It is very important to our life. And in this chapter, the first part, the story, today we are going to discuss. In this chapter, the value which we are going to learn is self-confidence, which is the backbone for your life. So self-confidence is the backbone of students' life. So from the childhood onwards, when you cultivate self-confidence, then you will be a good personality in your future. So let's start with the story. You might have heard the story of Pheidippides. He was one of the fastest runner of ancient Greece. In ancient time, when there was no fast means of communication as we have today, people used runners to send a message to distant places. Pheidippides was one such runner who served the Greek army in those days. My dear children, now we are in lockdown. So we are facing COVID-19. So we all are inside the home. But you are learning how? Because of the communication. We are taking classes in our home and we are sending all these things because of technology and communication. But in olden days, it was not there. So if they want to convey message, the people who runs fast, so they will send the message. So this Pheidippides, he was the fastest runner in ancient Greece. During the time of crucial war between Greeks and Persians, general militates of Greek army asked Pheidippides to deliver an urgent message to Athens from Marathon. Athens was about 20 miles away from Marathon, but Pheidippides was extremely tired after his run from Sparta to Marathon. So he expressed his inability to run again. So already he ran. So he extremely tired. So when the militant told Pheidippides to run and give message, he told that he was very tired and he could not do. Then the general came closer to him, kept his hands on his shoulder and said, "My dear boy, I know you are tired, but I believe that you are the only one in Greece who can deliver this message in time to the Athenians. The Persians are on the way to attack Athens. The fate of Athens in your hands. I trust you." These words of the general gave confidence to the Pheidippides. The confidence expressed the general in him became the energy and enthusiasm of Pheidippides. He ran towards Athens and delivered the message in time and fell dead at the center of the city. So, though he was very tired, he expressed his view. After that, the commander, the general, came and put his hands towards that Pheidippides' shoulder and told, "My dear son, I know that you are very tired, but the fate of Greek people, life is in your hand. So you have to go and you have to save your people. I trust in you." The word which he used, "I trust in you," it gave confidence to the Pheidippides. So he started to run and he delivered the message in the center of the city. He died. So the self-confidence he got because of the general. So my dear children, in our life also, the self-confidence which we get from others also, from ourselves also. First of all, we have to think that I can do anything and everything. So many times we may think that I am very weak in maths, I am very weak in science, I don't understand SST, English is very tough, all these things. But just you think, I can. So if you put hard work and if you have interest, surely you will be shining in that subject. And also the next thing is, when you disappointed the teacher or your parents, if they come and tell, no, I know that next time you will get full mark. You have very good knowledge. You have interest. Since you put hard work, you can do. All these encouraging and motivating words will make you as confident person. So my dear children, confidence is very, very essential. In each step of your life, the confidence plays a vital role. So you have to build up self-confidence within you. Then if others, they put you down, if they disappointed you, then you will not feel and you will not get disappointment. So dear children, first build self-confidence within you. First day, when you were standing for school assembly, how did you feel? You might have get frightened and you would have panic of students, because 1,000 students are there, all the staff, principal, all are there. So you will not have the confidence. But when you practice the second time, third time, automatically you will have self-confidence. So the self-confidence first within you, you have to build up. The second things, when you practice, it will come. So any competition, anything, don't think that it will not come. So everything is within you. All the potential is within you. So you have to cultivate all these things by practicing and by hard working. Reflect upon your potentialities. How could you transform yourself into a new personality? So still now you know Neha is this much, Rinku is this much, Vanshika is this much, but you have to build new personality. So you have to watch new personality's lifestyle and you have to build according to that. In which thing you have interest. So in that, how can you be a star of that? So for that you have to put hard work. So how could you develop such a great confidence within you? There are many ways to develop self-confidence. So my dear children, next class we will discuss about the various ways to develop self-confidence. So today you sit alone and you have to examine yourself whether you have self-confidence or what. If it is not there, don't worry. Just try now itself and build self-confidence, which is very essential to your life. Thank you.